makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I have a gigantic PR haul for y'all. I've had so many packages come the last few weeks and I haven't gotten around to opening all of it or reviewing a lot of it yet. So I thought that it'd be fun to just do a PR haul. I'm going to share with you everything that I've got here. You can let me know what you want to see me review, what you don't care to see me review. Feel free to leave your opinions down below. And I'm not gonna blabber on, let's just jump into it. So I will say that this is mostly without any rhyme or reason, but I just got this package in today from Diavourune. So much bubble wrap. We have got the new Diavourune Dewdrops palette, which looks so cute. Is a highlight and shadow palette. And I love the packaging. It looks like little raindrops all over it. Looks very, very pretty. I think I might do like a little reel with this. I'm pretty sure, so I don't want to touch anything yet, but I believe that this is already available for purchase, and I do have a discount code with Diavourune. I'm pretty sure it's just AMYLOVES. They're a really, really cool, newer indie brand, so I'm very excited for that. Next, we have here a package from Swed Beauty, which is a brand that I have been trying out. So this is their Miracle Powder in the shade 00 Fair. It says it's magic filter with blur and glow effect, and it has like their same like super cute, very turquoise packaging. It has one of those nets, and it does have a shade to it. Like I said, it's shade Fair, so let's just swatch it out. Okay, that is looking very pale. Looks almost white. Okay, I don't really want to set my whole face because I am testing some new makeup and I kind of wanted to see how it would do on its own without being set, but maybe we could just try a little bit of this on my forehead just for science. Okay, just picking up just a little bit. Whew, that was a lot, okay. Oh my gosh, it's so brightening. Okay, we'll do a little bit right here too. Can definitely see the blurring effect a little bit, especially because I do have like tiny little lines right here, and it is very brightening. Okay, I will definitely keep testing that out. I've heard some pretty good reviews on this. Next we have a package from, I believe this is an indie brand. They're called Queen Musea, and they sent over 3 lipsticks. The packaging on these lipsticks looks ridiculous. Let me show you. Look at this. I will admit I did already open this package and take a little sneak peek just because I was so intrigued. To me, it kind of looks like a drill bit, but my partner said it looks like something dirtier, so I don't know. You guys can let me know what you think. I think it's cool. It's different. It says they're vegan, cruelty-free, and made in Italy, so there's what the 3 of them look like together. We've got the shade Becky Sharp. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a rosy nude. We've got Madame Bovary. This definitely looks like a little bit more of like a peachy pink tone. And then we've got Dorian. Huh. Makes me think of a Throne of Glass. Ooh, that's really pretty. Definitely a very peachy shade. So I haven't tried any of these yet. It's funny because they say that they're matte, but they do look like they have like a slight kind of sheen to them. Okay, let's see. Next I have a package here from What's Up Beauty. And I believe that they came out with lipsticks as well. And I think they have a really beautiful design on them. So we've got the little pamphlet here. It is the Egyptian Queen collection. Looks like we've got 3 different lipsticks and then 2 different eyeliners. Wow, this packaging is beautiful. Cancel. It's weighty. It looks so pretty. And then the inside, y'all, the design of this is actually remarkable. Actually, maybe I can't swatch these yet. I have to wait until my partner comes home so I can show him. It's funny because I got him to start watching Bridgerton with me. I'm rewatching season 1 and season 2 before we watch season 3 together. And so I was actually making him go through the entire Bridgerton Pat McGrath collection that I have as well. But he at least pretends that he enjoys learning about it. We've got Eye of Raw. Oh my gosh, it looks like such a pretty nude. it's almost to the point where it's so beautiful. It's like, how do you expect me to use this? It actually looks like a work of art. We have Siba. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. That's just so, so pretty. How about I can swatch the eyeliners for you guys? So we've got Comet, and these are liquid eyeliners, which I literally never use, but the packaging looks stunning, and I'm like, maybe I could actually give it a try. It's been probably a decade since I tried to use an eyeliner like this. So black, so pigmented, but also so scary. It looks really good. I'm excited to test it out. And then we've got the shade Nebu. Ooh, and this one's like a multi-chrome, right? Yeah, that one looks really cool. Okay, let's see. I actually have 2 packages here from It Cosmetics, and one I did already open. And I've already been using, oh wait, it's not even in here, okay. So I've been using this a ton. They sent over their Hello Sunshine Hydrating Serum Sunscreen. This is so beautiful. I don't think that I've ever had a sunscreen I liked so much underneath my makeup. It just looks glowy. If you wear it by itself, beautiful. If you put makeup over it, beautiful. It does not like pill or anything. It says it's SPF 50. It has hyaluronic acid, some vitamins. It helps protect and prime. Definitely an absolute favorite. And then let's see, in this box, okay, they sent over their new natural matte foundation, which I was not excited about just because I am not a matte foundation girl. But then I was thinking about it in my head, and I was like, I love their normal foundation so much, and I have very dry skin, so maybe it will be helpful for you guys to see me test these out. Like, what does the matte look like? Like, can you still use it if you have dry skin? Is it too dry? Let me just try and open this up. Oh, they sent a few other things in here too. Okay, so they sent over their like little foundation concealer brush combo, which is fun. I don't think I've ever tried a brush from It Cosmetics, even though they're pretty well known for their brushes. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to open that in a little bit. They also sent over some serum glosses. Ooh, these look pretty. Just looks like there's like a white, pinky, iridescent one, and then 2 different neutrals here. Okay, and then we've got 2 different shades of the foundation. So we've got Fair and Fair Ivory. So let me know if you guys want to see me review these. Okay, I've got a package from Pixi here. So it's got their On The Glow blush in the shade Juicy and their lip glow in the shade Juicy, which I was really curious about this. I was wondering if it's kind of similar to like the trend of lipstick, lip gloss, hybrid products we've seen from Tarte, Makeup and Mario. Oh my gosh, cannot get things out today. So there's what the Juicy shade looks like. But I love a sheer juicy red. Oh, and it has the mint smell to it too. Yep. That's like the full circle. Gotcha. Okay, I would definitely test that out. And then they also have the On The Glow blush, which I have one of these like blush sticks. Well, I have one of these type of products from them, but it's a bronzer. Definitely deodorant vibes. Let's see. But the shade looks so pretty. Oh yeah, it's gorgeous. If you love like a red summery blush, these 2 can be so pretty. Next I have a package from Alter Ego, and I did see they came out with a new palette. The thing is I do really like their quality, but I feel like their launches are less exciting because they're all dupes. We got an eyeshadow primer, and we've got their new Mystique palette. Is this duping the, what was it? Was it like the Circa palette from Natasha Denona? I can't remember what it was called. I didn't purchase that one. It does look cute. It does look cute, I will say. And I really like the packaging. So another package I'm very excited about. I kind of already opened part of this because it was like a really big package and I didn't know what it was, but I haven't really dug in. Flower Nose reached out to me and asked to send me PR, and they have such beautiful packaging on everything. I was very excited to try them out. So I have like this little box here, which I'm assuming is just to keep, you know, makeup or whatever, but it's very girly, very, very cute. And then there's another box that's just gigantic that is full of their makeup. I don't know how much I can show you right now because it's just like really well packaged and there's so much going on. They've got like the cutest little puffs. Everything looks absolutely stunning. I don't know, would you guys like a full video on Flower Nose? I will pull out one thing just to show you because if you're not familiar with them, I've never tried anything from them, but I've definitely seen them on Instagram. There's one highlighter just to show you. Look how beautiful. Like, it looks so cool. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. It's crazy. I can't look at that. Wow. Okay, I feel like I need to do a whole video on their products for sure. So as you can see, there is a lot happening here. I'm gonna try and make this a priority because I just feel like it's super exciting. Okay, let's see. I have a package here from Sarat, which looks like it's really big, but I think there's only one thing in here. So Sarat came out with new highlighters, and I believe that they are already available. This is the shade Frou Frou, which is such a cute name. Let's see. I'm slightly, oh, I almost dropped it. Okay. I'm slightly nervous about this packaging because it looks very similar to the packaging of their blush, and I have had issues with that. Like, I just cannot get any more to come out. It's like a squeezy tube, and then it comes through a sponge. Tell me you guys saw that. It just like, it literally squirted. Okay. Oh, now it's coming out. Okay. So there's what it looks like. It's like this like white with a pink glow to it. And it definitely looks really pretty, definitely very up my alley. I just hope that the packaging will keep working. Oh, and I also did get a package from Salt New York, which I did end up meeting the owner during the, I was about to say Charleston, the New Orleans Creators and Friends trip. And I was able to pick out a few more products to try, which I'm super excited about because I have been loving their products. I've been using them almost every single day. I feel like I need to do like an updated, like true 5-minute makeup routine because it is so fast and it looks so good. It's just, I'm obsessed right now. So I picked out 3 more of their blushes and then also a bronzer to try because right now I have their concealer, I have their under eye like corrector, I have their skin tint, I have a blush and a highlighter. So I got to try a few more, and there's this particular shade here which is called Horny, and I was a little like, like, can I say that on my channel? But after using the blushes, I was like, I don't even care. It looks so beautiful. I don't care what it's named. I'm going to be trying it out. So here's what she looks like the most beautiful deep red shade. And then let's see, we've got the Sculpt and Bronze in the shade Light. Just looks like a really beautiful bronzer for fair skin. I wish that they would come out with a magnetic palette like this, but just a little bit bigger. Like, I feel like if there was one that held 6 or 8, it would just be perfect. Because for me, I feel like I need 6. I need 6 to be my perfect palette. And they only have either singles or 4 right now, so I don't know if that's in the works ever, but that would make me very, very happy. And then we have the shade Maple, which looks like such a pretty, like, just true, like, neutral blush. Like that blush where it looks like you're not even wearing blush, but you are. You're just like a flushed queen. And then we have Persimmon, which I believe this is more of an orangey red, if I remember correctly. Yes. Very, very beautiful. And it's cool because they actually come with a QR code to scan for tips and tutorials. So very, very excited. I know I'm about to get so much use out of these. Yeah, I also have a package here from Fantasy Cosmetica. I know they came out with a new collection. I think it's called Cradled in Ice, and I am definitely going to be behind on reviewing it, but I don't care. I'll either do like some looks or do a swatch party. I'll still do something. I just have had a crazy couple of weeks, and I was just really focused on my collab, obviously. They did come out with a brush collection, which I'm very excited about, and I remember seeing, I dropped all of them. I'm just such a klutz today apparently, but these look really nice and they also look big. Like, look at this brush. That is a big brush. I think that I could possibly use this as a weapon. It looks like they came out with some single shadows. So they've got them here in their really beautiful packaging. And then we have the Cradled in Ice palette, which I'll show you. But again, I'm going to be careful because I really want to do like a little reel or something with this. Look how beautiful. I actually feel like this would be so fun to pair with my palette. It's gorgeous. Okay, I think that this is the last package I have here. This is from Unearthly Cosmetics, and I believe this is their Spring Magic collection, which was announced during the Creators and Friends trip, but the packages weren't ready to go, so they said they would just send them out to our addresses. I have actually seen these in person before, but they came out with a blush palette. Packaging on this looks super cute, and everything is very well bubble wrapped. There's even bubble wrap inside. I was thinking of maybe doing a swatch party with this collection, so you guys can let me know what you think. There's the blush palette. I feel like this looks pretty. It looks very glowy. We've got some liquid highlighters here, which I thought that these were lip glosses originally because they look like lip gloss containers. We've got I'm Sprung and Awaken. So there's I'm Sprung. So cool. And then Awaken is like this beautiful pink. I'm about to be all about that. I cannot wait to try that one. And then there also is a lip gloss, or sorry, it's called a Gold Glaze lip gloss. And this one is in the shade Pollen. And that one is like a sparkly kind of like white shade. And then of course, not forget the star of the show, we have the Spring Magic palette. I feel like this packaging is so cool. I want to do an unboxing. So I'm like, how can I take this out and make it look like I never took it out? I'm gonna be very careful so I can put it all back. Gorgeous, truly so gorgeous. The shimmers look stunning. Wow. Okay, I think I'm definitely gonna do a swatch party with that collection. So stay tuned. Cupid is having the time of his life with all of the packaging from all these boxes everywhere. And voila. Nobody will ever know. You want to stay with me while we say goodbye? Instead of making lots of noise with all the bubble wrap? I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, feel free to leave your comments down below, what you want to see, what you don't want to see. I'll try to prioritize whatever you guys are the most excited about. And I'll see you again very soon. Bye.